Prime Minister heard everybody out, all the delegation members and all the delegation visits that happened, and he also congratulated everybody because we had been able to fulfill the goal of being able to take the message against terrorism across the world.
शाम स्टील फ्लेक्सी स्ट्रॉन्ग TMT बार, ये स्ट्रॉन्ग के साथ फ्लेक्सिबल भी है।
आपदा मुसीबत कोई भी आए, ये घर को अटूट बनाए।
जब TMT फ्लेक्सी स्ट्रॉन्ग,
तो घर रहे हमेशा के लिए स्ट्रॉन्ग।
And he gave us all a patient hearing. He asked us about our experiences and what our feedback towards those trips was, what our learnings were. And he took time out to speak to every member of parliament and get a feedback from them. So all in all, I think it was more of a debriefing and also understanding where India stands and what India can do better and how India can continuously push this message across of zero tolerance to terrorism. I think considering the Prime Minister has had a word of praise for every member of Parliament and all the delegations, I'm assuming that his reports that he would have got, he would have felt that they have put out a positive narrative about the nation and also busted a lot of narrative, fake narrative coming from Pakistan. More importantly, I think I would say I was part of the group too, which towards 6 nations in Western Europe, and I saw that there was an absolute solidarity with India and India's fight against terrorism and also India's right to respond. So, and every place we visited, we were, they absolutely said that they condemn the terrorism that keeps emanating out of Pakistan.
ये स्टाइल का मामला है, रूपा फ्रंटलाइन।
And I'm very certain it may not be through their words, it will be through their actions, whether it is holding them accountable, holding Pakistan accountable for the funds that they collect, for the IMF loans and putting them in the grey list of FATF, would happen in the due course. But this outreach was important. This outreach was about India's message to zero tolerance to the world and also to tell them that very soon it will be coming to your doorstep too because of indoctrination, radicalism, fundamentalism, and they're dealing with it, especially Europe. So I think in all, if you ask me, it was, we met the goal that we were set out for and we stood united and we gave a united message against terrorism.